Hello, welcome students on today's lecture on rectangular water tank. So in the previous classes, we have already designed the rectangular water tank. So we have seen what are the dimension, what are the movements. We have also calculated what are the movements for short side of the wall, long side of the wall. And now we have to today we'll deal about the detailing of reinforcement. That is the drawing. So just a rough idea we will have once more. So the capacity of the water tank was 80,000 liter. Inside dimension was 6 meter by 4 meter. Tank was resting on wall on all four sides. We had M20 grade concrete and grade 1 steel. This data. So you can see and freeboard we had taken 150 mm. So permissible stresses this using it is not given in the question, but using IS 456 2000 and IS 3370 part 2 and IS 3370 part 4, we have come to this conclusion. So stress in concrete was 7 Newton per mm square, stress in steel 100 Newton per mm square on the faces near to the water surface faces, and sigma st 125 Newton per mm square on faces away from the water faces. So we computed here Q, K and M, which is working out to be 13.33, 0.877 and 1.153. Then we came across the dimension of the water tank. So height of the water tank was given by volume divided by the area. So 80 divided by 6 into 4, so we got 3.5. Adding a freeboard to it, we worked out it to be 3.7 meter. Then length by breadth ratio is 1.5, which was less by 2. So wall was designed as continuous, and seen to that the pressure above h by 4 or 1 meter from the bottom, whichever is more. So we got omega 26.487 kilonewton per meter square, which was acting here. So the moments in the side walls was computed. So first, according to moment distribution method, so we computed the fixed end moments for long wall and short wall. These are the fixed end moments. Then this is how we considered the wall. Now here also the distribution factor was computed, which was like this. So we prepared a table and computed the moment distribution, and we came across the answers. So the moment at support was 69.21 kilonewton meter, and moment at the center of wall was 49.98, and moment at center of short wall was 16.236 kilonewton meter. So design was done for long wall and short wall separately. So depth was checked and depth worked out to be 250 mm and effective depth 220 mm. Then we computed the direct tension in long wall, which was TL omega h minus h into b by 2, which worked out to be 52.974 kilonewton. Similarly, tension in short wall TB omega h minus h into L by 2, so which was working to 79.461. The bending for bending moment AST was computed. So AST worked out to be 3405.6 mm square. Considering the highest moment, so using 20 mm diameter bars, we got a spacing of 90 mm centimeter center to center. So providing 20 mm diameter bars at 90 mm center to center steel at the center of the span. Half of the bars from the inner face and at the support are bent towards the outer face at center, providing half AST. So for remaining, the 16 mm diameter bars at 150 mm center center for short walls bent 50% of bars towards the outer face of the water center. Steel reinforcement for cantilever movement for 1 meter height from below. So cantilever movement we got the AST as 350.8 mm square. So minimum reinforcement 750 mm square. So provided minimum reinforcement. So steel on each face was 375 mm square. Using 80 bars, 80 mm diameter bars, we got spacing of 130 mm center to center. So adopting 8 mm diameter bars at 130 mm center to center on both the faces. Now let us see the reinforcement. So you can see here. So this is the cross section of the wall. So this is the long wall. This is the short wall. So you can see here, these bars are of 20 diameter at 90 center center, and 65 at 150 center to center. And here also, you can see these are of 20 diameters at 90 center center. Here are 20 diameter bars at 180 center to center. So these are the dimension. This is 4 meters. This is 6 meters. Then you can also see here also we have provided 20 diameter bars at 180 center to center. Same here also on this side also. Here 8 diameter bars at 130 center to center on both the faces. The width or thickness of the wall was 250 on all the sides. This is very important in the detailing of reinforcement. So this is how it was detailed. So thank you. This completes the numerical on design of rectangular water tank. So we will shortly have an assignment on this. So next we will see which has to be done. So we'll either go with the module 2 steel structure, or with module 1 we'll continue with the footing or porter frame. Thank you.